Beginner's Keyboard Lesson 2: Learning the musical alphabet on keyboard. Lesson goal: by the end of the lesson, students should be able to know the musical alphabet, understand that music uses only letters A to G, identify the notes on the keyboard, understand that the pattern repeats, say the notes confidently while pointing on the keyboard. Hello everyone, welcome back to Keyboard Lessons with Joy. I hope you enjoyed lesson 1. In case you haven't watched lesson 1, check for the link in the comment section. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video and learn along with me. And if there is anything you do not understand, leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. Today, we are going to learn something very important called the musical alphabet. What is the musical alphabet? In normal English alphabet, we have many letters, but in music, we use only 7 letters. These letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let us say them together slowly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. The notes repeats. Now listen carefully. After G, music does not continue to H. Instead, it starts from A. So after G comes A, B, C again. That means the musical alphabet keeps repeating. It keeps repeating. That is why you see so many black keys on the keyboard and so many white keys on the keyboard. Finding the notes on the keyboard. Now let us look at the keyboard. You will notice black keys and white keys. To help us find the notes easily, we will start from C. C is the note, the white key before the two black keys. The white key before the two black keys is called C. You can find C close to the group of two black keys. Look at the C. Here's another C. That's C. This is C. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is G. This is A. This is B. This is C again. Let's do it one more time slowly. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, I want you to say the notes after me. Ready? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Excellent. The keyboard repeats the same notes again and again. That's why you can see many C's and many D's and many G's on the keyboard. The pattern never changes. After G, we always return back to A. After G, we always return back to A. Simple practice. Now let us practice together. I will point to the notes and you will say them with me. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Wonderful. That is a good one. Now we are going to take quick revision. What are the musical letters? That is a question for you. Answer that question so that you know what you've learned today. What are the musical letters? The musical letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. What happens after G? We go back to A. Very good. Simple summary. Today, we learn the musical alphabet. We learn that music uses only 7 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and H. We also learn that after G, the notes repeats again from A. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you will not miss the next lesson. Practice the musical alphabet slowly on your keyboard after this lesson. And remember, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. See you in the next lesson.